Give me an example of a mistake you've learned from on your job.
Okay, a mistake that I've learned from is not reading the manufacturer's information about how to use the products. I find that being a stylist and a product junkie, that sometimes I think I know how to use everything. I've been doing hair for so many years that I think it's easy for me to just pick up a bottle and say, well, this says conditioner. This probably goes on after the shampoo, and perhaps you can put a cap on them and put them up under the dryer, and this is how this works, because that's how typically shampoos and conditioners have worked throughout the years. But we always want to pay attention to how the person that created the product suggests that it should be used. Sometimes, you may want to use a product that goes on before a shampoo and has to sit on for so many minutes, or it needs to go on up underneath some steam in order to make sure that it goes into the follicle better. And what I find is that reading the instructions will always be more helpful if you make sure you do that before you begin to do someone's hair with a new product line.
What's in the box?